Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we are going to taste chicken sisig here in Dubai. So nandito kami ngayon sa night market and I will be testing the chicken sisig. Saan tayo bumili? Sa Pinoy Treats.
Yeah, Pinoy Treats.
Yeah. Here in Winter Night Market. So we also buy the ang walang kamatayang isaw, and then the boba tea.
Kunin mo ito, Mark.
Sa naman to, saan to? Kung Fu Panda. Charing! Kung Fu Panda tea. So ang in-order ni Rosel is coffee boba tea.
Yours is matcha.
Would like to inform you that we have.
Ayan, nagsalita na si Kuya Rico. So ang akin naman is matcha.
Purple shirts.